Welcome to the instructions video for the Economic Order Quantity Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine the optimal order quantity for your inventory that minimizes total costs by balancing ordering and holding expenses. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter three key values. First, enter your annual demand, which is the total number of units you need per year. For our example, let's use 10,000 units. Next, enter the ordering cost, which is how much it costs to place a single order, including shipping and processing fees. We'll enter $50. Finally, input the holding cost per unit per year, which includes storage, insurance, and depreciation costs. Let's use $2. After entering these values, the calculator will compute your economic order quantity and show you the optimal number of units to order each time, along with the total annual inventory cost breakdown. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.